I was playing with the Stripe dashboard the other day, trying to figure out how to cancel a subscription. And it turns out that there's a nice UI in here where you can just click on cancel subscription and you have a nice interface. But before I realized that, I had gone into update subscription and I thought, well, maybe I can just remove a product. There'll be no items. And if I save that, then that'll cancel it. But I got this interesting error message saying that a subscription has to have at least one plan, and they actually want me to use the API to cancel it. And I thought, well, fair enough. Stripe is a developer-facing company. That's pretty cool. They want me to use their API. And then I realized that the technology that we've been working on at OneGraph is kind of the best of both worlds here, where we can hit the API but have like a really nice UI for doing that, because we can introspect not only on our API but also on theirs. So we can go in and, for example, I see all the fields. I see that there's a Stripe field here. What I'm going to do is add a mutation. Because I want to change the world, I want to cancel a subscription. I'm going to go into Stripe, and I see that there's a cancel subscription mutation here. You can see it automatically selects the required field as subscription UI for me. If I want, I can click on it and read a bit more about the semantics of how a cancel subscription works and like what it means. And I can go in here and say, like, having canceled a subscription, maybe I want to get its ID back, and I want to know the status, so I can just make sure that it's going to be canceled. And I want to know a little bit about the customer. We'll get the customer out, maybe their email and ID. And you can see that we automatically select the email and ID on a customer because that's usually what people want to see. Those are the minimum fields. So it's just this really nice experience of clicking through. Now I need the ID of a subscription, so I'm going to go ahead and copy that out of the URL here. And so I'm going to go ahead and take that copied ID, pop it in there, and I'm going to run this mutation. And you can see that there we go. We have a canceled subscription for our user. So this is a really nice way of being able to explore an API through a really nice interface, incrementally explore the data that's available, and iterate and try it until you get it right. So even though Stripe has a lovely UI, this is also a really nice way of doing it.